Squeak, squeak. How's it going, everyone? We'll give it a few minutes for everyone to join, then we'll do a breakdown, then we'll get to ripping. A few things organized here. How's everybody doing this afternoon? Let's make sure we got the camera centered decently. The card's good. All right. Let's do a rundown and get to ripping. So we got here is a 2021 Panini Donruss Mega Boxes. I believe these should be XL, so I got them at, I got them from somebody that got them at Barnes & Noble. So I'm guessing, I'm pretty sure XL is the one that stocks those guys, so if there is a difference, I guess it'd be there. So it's got one auto, chance at those downtowns. Lavas, which I've yet to see. Or do these? Yeah, these have lava, cubic, cosmic. I'd like to see a numbered one of those. That'd be freaking sweet to get a numbered card. I don't think we've pulled one out of Donruss yet. We've got some pretty good stuff out of the retail and the hobby boxes, but first chance at opening some megas. So good luck, everyone, and let's get to ripping. Looks like it's 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box with the mega boxes, since it's, I think it's at like 56 cards a box or something like that, so similar. Pretty sure that's how the math works out, but anyway, we'll be shipping all the cards in this break. It's not one of the giant hangers or cellos in there. It's always funny how the mega boxes. Geez, I should grab a cello. The mega box might barely have any more cards than the cello, but anyway, good luck, everyone. We can get a downtown and some big autos. Oh, we got something pink. I guess I haven't opened any of these yet. Do they have exclusive vortex? Pink optic preview rated rookies, and pretty sure we got one. But let's see. Rob Gronk, Kenyon Drake, AJ Green, Jonathan Taylor, Then we're going to have our COVID cards. It looks like they throw one of those variations in here. So we got a variation. I guess it's a press proof. Brown Devontae Adams. For the Packers, we got a road to the Super Bowl, Patty Mahomes. And it is a rated rookie. Who's it for? Tylan Wallace for the Ravens. That's Dom. Nice pink optic preview, Tylan Wallace. And behind that, Anthony Schwartz. Pink optic in every pack, that would be impressive. Or that would be ridiculous. Ultra rare optic rated rookie pink. Except that there I put that. That'd be pretty sweet if that was in every pack, but some first pass magic. Maybe not the player we were looking for, but still pretty sweet to get that on the first pack. But let's see what else we can get. Let's see if we can keep that streak going. Got a hard time believing that's happening. Oh, it is. Is it? It is in every pack? Or are those not the? Those must not be the optic previews, huh? Ryan Kerrigan. Jared Goff. I hadn't even looked at these, to be honest with you. We got Derrick Henry. Variation. We got the Cowboys variation. It looks like we got our auto. I actually got an auto of this guy for out of Gold Standard. But Brian Sipe for the Browns. Going out to Hunter. So these must not be optic. No, they say optic. What the world? That seems weird. J.J. Watt. Got Micah Parsons in that optic. A rookie, Caleb Farley, and the Kids Reporter. I gotta read this again. That seems weird. It's telling me that right there on the box. I don't know what to say. They're every pack. That's interesting. That's what ultra rare means now for Panini. They're in every pack. Tyler Lockett. Tim Patrick. I got way too much light. Let me get a little bit less light in here. Nope. All right, Jameis. And now we got Joe Namath. Miles Jack. Uh-oh. And we got a throwback for Allen Robinson. Behind that is Jalen Darden for the Bucks. And Jamar Jefferson for the Lions. Right, Brandon Ayuk, Nick Chubb, T. Higgins, Alvin Kamara. Ooh, there we go. There's a nice Derrick Henry. Got a out of this world Derrick Henry. It's a cool insert. And now we got another Titans, Eddie George. Another one for the Ravens, Odafe Oweh. How you say that. There we go. Nice one for the Patriots, Mac Jones. And a Kid Reporter. So is pink optic really in every pack, Chad? Because that just seems, why'd they put that on the box? Is there a different pink that I'm not seeing correctly? Seems kind of a weird way to ruin something kind of cool, but all right. Charles Woodson, Dan Marino, Jeremy Chin, DJ Chark, Josh Jacobs. And now we got a Tylan Wallace, Hargert, and Amari Rogers. Pink, followed by Gary Brightwell for the G-Men. Khalil Mack, Robert Woods, Darnell Savage Jr., Jonathan Taylor. Behind that, we got a Nick Chubb press proof for the Browns. The champ is here, Levante David for the Bucks. There we go, nice Devontae Smith. Behind that, Elijah Moore for the Jets. Jalen Mills, Marcus Peters, Foye. I'm not even going to say Foye's last name right now. L'Jarius Sneed. And now we got an Aaron Donald. Press proof. Behind that, a Kadarius Toney, the rookies. And an Amon St. Brown for the Lions. Behind that, another Lion. Penny Sewell. The lineman in there. All right, let's do a smidgen of housekeeping here. On to box number 2. Seven packs. There is a pink in every one. That is interesting. Cole Beasley, Stephon Gilmore, Mike Vrabel, all day. There we go. Nice press proof brown Justin Fields for the Bears. I might have a decent press proof too back there. I mean, the ultra rare optic preview in every pack. I mean, all right. So we got Action All Pros Jalen Ramsey, and behind that, we got a Bengal. Ooh, Chris Evans. He trolled me. Chris. It's not very nice, bud. And behind Chris is Aziz Olawari and a kids reporter. Still not a bad press proof Justin Fields. All right, Michael Thomas, DeAndre Swift, Kyle Long, Jalen Ramsey. Then we got for the Panthers. Looks like we got a nice rookie auto going out to the Panthers. We got a rated rookie press proof Terrence Marshall Jr. There you go. That's a nice rookie auto. One of the megas. That ain't bad at all. Nice card going out to Adrian. There you go. All right. Nick Bosa. Behind that, we got Tutu. Tutu Atwell with a nice little ding on there. If you can see that, you can see that ding, but there's also like a line running out of it. Thanks, Panini. Thank you. And then behind him is Nico Collins. Still gonna throw your Tutu right away. Might as well just do it. Even though these cards are like that, I'll be sleeving and top loading all the rookie. The hell, Ultra Pro. Well, it's trash. Throw that in there so you're ready to send it off to Panini to tell them what in the world they do to your card. And Nico behind there. All right. Got Hollywood, Harrison Smith, Cooper Kupp, the Honey Badger. Got Larry Fitzgerald. Behind that, we got some kind of crazy fire stuff going on. Is that like a Trey Lance for the 49ers? Is that a Red Hot Rookies? Sure is. There we go. Nice one for the Niners. I don't know if I've seen the Red Hot Rookies yet. I've seen the White Hot Rookies. Red Hot looks a lot better. Nice Trey Lance. We got J.C. Horn to go along with that Tyron Wallace, our Terrence. Then we got Jamin Davis and a kids reporter. All right, Mike Evans, Darren Waller, Julio. Wait, they don't even have it saying like not on the team anymore or anything. Julio for the Falcons on the Donruss. We got Tom Brady. Ooh, there we go. Out of this world behind that. This guy, Patty Mahomes. Nice Patty Mahomes there. Behind that. Ooh, whoa. Not only is that Patty Mahomes nice, I was wondering, that's a Cosmic. That's 35 out of 100. That's a big one. Look a little different. There we go. Who had the Chiefs? Caleb. Nice. Patty Mahomes out of this world. Again, 35 out of 100. Nice one. Whoa, 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 Dan. Whoa, Dan. Whoa. Sorry. That's why we got the breaker board, but it didn't hit the ground either. Got Lamb Jack for the Super Bowl, and behind there, Ramondre Stevenson, the wrong Patriots rookie. But nice. That much bad of a pack. And behind that, we got Kylan Hill, if I didn't already say that. I said I wanted to see a numbered one. Guess Panini showed me. All right. George Kittle, Phillip Rivers, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Josh Allen. We got Villanueva. Behind that, looks like we got one of those rookie. Good or not? Blee, 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 blee. Got a rookies Gridiron Kings, Kadarius Toney. And that Eric Stokes. And another Justin Fields. There we go. Let's go. So far, so good. Not too bad of megas. Another Justin Fields. Question is, can we get it downtown too? Myles Garrett, Carson Wentz, Brett Favre, Adrian Amos. So we got a Brown, we got a press proof, Jalen Mills for the Patriots in his Eagles gear. At least I got him with the right team. And behind that, we got Justin Herbert Dominators and a Michael Carter. For those Jets, followed by a Frank Darby. This guy's a starting running back for the Jets, isn't he? If not, he's well protected anyway. All right, last pack of the second mega. All right, we got Dallas Goedert, Keem Hicks, Javon Curse, Tyreek Hill. We got a Chase Young press proof. And now we got throwback Baker. And for our rated rookie pink, it is Ben. That guy, Ben for the Rams. And an Ian Book. And in double D fashion, we always, for those rookie quarterbacks, since you never know, you always got to sleeve and top load those guys right away. Even book them Ian. Alright, put some cards in some spots. Get that and get to ripping 2 more megas. Good luck, everyone. That's just crazy that they, I mean, why does it say look for the ultra rare optic rated rookie preview pink parallel? Like, what? Ultra rare, it's in every pack? Makes you wonder what's going on with Panini. All right, pack number 1 of the third mega. Good luck, everyone. We got Car Wreck, Brandon Cooks, A.J. Brown, Chase Young, Tyreek Hill, press proof, Tyreek. We got a Dominators, Kyler Murray. Behind that, a Hunter Long. Ultra rare optic preview pink, and a Greg Rosenau, I'm gonna guess, for the Bills. It's got me so confused. I'm grabbing boxes instead of packs. He's got me all weirded out. Anyway, Richard Sherman, Chad Johnson, Dak. Got Jalen Hurts. Behind that, looks like it's our auto. It's going to be for the Seahawks. Going out to Paul, grabbing those Seahawks before the break. Alton Robinson. Signature marks. I want to say this guy's a second year because I think I pulled his auto in the first one out of a Contenders cello pack. I think I bought one because our Target used to allow you to get a 1 pack, and that was the only thing that was there, and I bought one. Anyway, Travis Kelce throwback, and behind there we go, a nice Najee Harris super short print. And Tommy Trimble and the Kids Reporter. That seemed to be the second pack from the top. Spend the auto every time too now. I believe. Bradley Chubb, Nick Bosa, Xavier Howard, Brian Burns, and now we have Mark Brunell hanging out. Jalen Hurts, Elite Series. And for our rated rookie, it's going to be Jabril Cox for the Cowboys. Behind that, we got our boy J.O.K. for the Browns. Remember, I was watching the game the other day and they said his name right, and we're just going to go with J.O.K. All right, moving on. David Montgomery, Johnny Hecker, Drew Breezy, James Robinson. And looks like we got another Out of This World. Behind that, so was this in every box too? Got a Devontae Smith, a rookie card. There we go. Out of This World. I better look on the back of this one. I guess this one, yeah, this one's not numbered. I didn't think so. It's got a little like circles on it. That's how the regular ones are. Still nice Devontae Smith. Cool looking cards. We'll do a recap here in a minute, David, when we get done with other box. Nothing too crazy yet out of these boxes, but we've got Mac Jones downtown, Trey Lance autos, Mac Jones Optic Preview Blue out of the Cellos. Got all sorts of different stuff. But behind there we got another Javonte Williams. Or no, we didn't get a Javonte Williams yet. That was somebody else. But there we go. Javonte Williams for the Broncos. Paul grabbing those two right before the break. And a Dez Fitzpatrick. We got a press proof Trey Lance, or not Trey Lance, it's the bleep bleep bleep. Why can't I think of the Bears quarterback? Justin Fields, that would be his name. Justin Fields. Daniel Jones, Daniel Sanders, Michael Vick, Saquon Barkley, MVS. There we go. We got a, what's that they call it? The portrait variation. Or Trey Lance, canvas. Rashawn Slater for the Chargers. And Christian Darsa for the Vikings. It's really sad that they turn these rookie canvases into portrait cards, not action cards. But the canvas cards are pretty cool. A little different. All right. Got Julian Edelman, Mike Williams, Kyler, Tom Brady. Behind Tom, we got a Tim Patrick. Press proof. Travis Kelce. Action All-Pro. And then we got a Kansas City Chief rookie, Cornell Powell. And behind that, Jarrett Patterson for the Teamers. Levante David, Michael Pittman Jr., Brett Favre, Randy Moss. Then we got a Mike Gesicki, press proof on that. Aaron Rodgers, throwback. Let me guess, you're going to throw the card the other way for me too? Nope. Instead we got Joe. Trying Joe. Wrong guy for us. And behind there we got a Kellen Mond for the Vikings. Alright, last round of housekeeping, and we should be ready to rock and roll. Last box. Hopefully we can get a downtown in this one. Some big. Good luck, everyone. Still want to see one of those lava cards. I want to see what that looks like. Where's the lava at? Panini. All right, let's see if it's the second pack again for the auto all in a row. So we got Kirk Cousins, Bobby Wagner, Scary Terry, and now we got Tyreek. Then we got a press proof, Jamin Davis. Whoops. And now we got an Ian Book Elite Series rookies and a Trey McKitty. It's going to be our ultra rare pink. And Chris Evans. Wrong. Bengal rookie. All right, we got Mark Andrews, Patrick Peterson, Patty Mahomes, COVID safe. We got Michael Gallup. Behind there we have Teddy Bridgewater with the Panthers, formerly of. Justin Herbert, throwback. Behind that we got a Racy McMath and a Ben for the Rams. Well, it wasn't pack number 2 for the auto that time, so they changed it up on us. Hopefully that's a good sign. Josh Jacobs, David Johnson, Drew Brees, Lambjack. Looks like, oh no, that's why. That's why. Because they gave us points, so we're going to go ahead and set that down there for a second. Retro series. There we go. That's the right receiver we were looking for the Bengals. Jamar Chase. Behind that, a Tutu Atwell. So we'll have to go ahead and do a random after this. We'll go 7 times, all the teams. Whoever the first one will get it. And my computer's already feeling like it's running slow, so it might take a minute for us to pull those up. But there you go. There's our 250 points. No, you don't have to cover that. You can go ahead and scan that all you want. It's the one on the back that you don't want to show anybody, but there's Lambjack. And there's our points. All right, we got another red-hot rookie in this one, it looks like. So we got Fred Warner, Tyler Boyd, Jerome Baker, Minka, We got Devontae Adams, and for our, it's a Jaguar. At least I think it is, if I can see what. Oh, Travis Etienne. Boy be trolling me all the time, it feels like. Etienne. Red Hot Rookies. Behind that, we got a Sam Ehlinger and a J.C. Horn. Oh, I saw that Jake, and I thought we had ourselves a Trevor Lawrence. Red Hot Rookies, Etienne. Ugh. All right, Von Miller, Jalen Hurts, got T.J. Watt, OBJ. Behind OBJ, we got what's this? A Vortex? Got a Vortex. There we go, Justin Fields Vortex. Definitely take that. Looks like it might have a print line in the middle of it, though. I don't know if I can catch that. Right here. It's hard. It's hard. Maybe it's not, but just want to mention it. We got Ian Book. Behind that, we got Peyton Turner and Ramondre Stevenson again. Rearing his ugly head. So we didn't get a downtown. We've got a Vortex. Justin Fields. 2 packs to go. All right. Tariq Cohen. Kenny Galladay. Robbie Anderson. Leonard Floyd. Keelan Cole. Uh-oh. We got a Gridiron All-Time Ray Lewis. Followed by, I believe it looked like our rated rookie was, oh, never mind, he was upside down too. Marquez Stevenson for those Bills. And behind that, an Eric Stokes. Eric Stokes. All right, last pack. Good luck, everyone. Russell Gage, Joey Bosa, John Elway, Jamison Crowder. Behind Jamison, we got a wide receiver, Brandon Ayuk, press proof. Behind that, a Warren Sapp Legend Series. And, got another Jag, it looks like, for our optic preview. Come on, save the day. He needs a card. Oh, you dirtbag, Travis. Oh. Come on, man. And Michael Carter. Ugh. Trolling us there at the end, Panini. Giving us points. And 2 nice ETNs. All right. Let me get these cards over here to the side. Let's see if we can get a screen share going on. Oh, wrong one. All right. So we will go to and we will take everybody's team. We will go 7 times. So we'll just do the owner's name. There we go. Make it easy. Owner's name, we're gonna go 7 times. We're gonna go into random lists. The page we're gonna go 7 times. Who's ever at the top of the list after 7 gets the 250 points. So good luck, everyone. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Hunter. Hunter, you won the points. If you're watching this, reach out to me on eBay or the Facebook page. I will buy these for $15 from you if you want to sell that to me. So if not, I will send it out to you. But that goes to Hunter. So let's go ahead and put that on there now. The points. All right, let's do a recap and we'll get to so Hunter with the 250 points. Got that Travis Etienne. Whoops. Got Justin Fields Vortex. Sam Ellinger, pink rated rookie. Jamar Chase, pink optic preview. Got Kellen Mond, Trey Lance portrait, Javonte Williams, Out of This World, Devontae Smith, Najee Harris pink, Alton Robinson auto, Ian Book, Michael Carter pink, got Justin Fields, we got that Out of This World, I think it was called Cosmic, Out of This World Cosmic, yep, right there, Cosmic, 35 out of 100, Patty Mahomes. Nice card, Caleb. Behind that, the Red Hot Rookies, Trey Lance. Tutu Atwell. Terrence Marshall Jr. auto. Justin Fields press proof. Ryan Sipe signature marks. Devontae Smith pink. Mac Jones base. Jalen Darden, when we didn't know it was doing better for us. Micah Parsons. And Tylan Wallace. Before we didn't realize that, even though it says short print, they're lying to us. Unless that's Panini's new ultra rare criteria. But anyway, just want to say thank you for everyone for joining us. We got another break going on tomorrow. We're going to be doing at, what is it, I think 1:30? Might be 1:30, 2 o'clock, somewhere around then. We have another Donruss break. This time it's going to be 5 blasters, 5 hangers, and 5 cellos. So hopefully we can get some nice out of those for everyone. Thanks again for joining us. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.